साथियों अज पंजाबी लहर टीम तुहानूं वो मशीनां दिखा रही आ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ बहुत पुरानियां हिंदुस्तान पाकिस्तान बन तो पहला असीं सोच भी नहीं सकते सी भी अमेरिका इन्ना एडवांस। असीं अज नवीं मशीनां देखते हाँ जो अमेरिका दीयां पुरानियां मशीनां अज भी गोरे लोग अपनी पुरानियां मशीनां नूं साਂਭ के रखते हैं। उन्होंने शौक है कि अमेरिका ने 1920 की कीता 1930 की कीता ते असीं तां इमेजिन भी नहीं कर सकते। वो लोग घोड़ियां नाल खेती करते सी ते मशीनरी यूज़ करते सी ते कैटरपिलर दे ट्रैक्टर फार्म ट्रैक्टर 1920 1930 1940 सैकंड वर्ल्ड वॉर तो पहला सड़कां बनाउण दे साधन नवे नवे बुलडोजर ग्रेडर फार्म ट्रैक्टर ये चीज़ां जिहड़ियां उन्होंने बनाईयां उन्होंने दिमाग उस टाइम साडे नालों कितना अगे सी। असीं बड़े भागां वाले हाँ। अज मेरा दोस्त एल उहदे नाल गलबात कीती आ। इन्हां पिक्चरां तो बाद तुहानूं जल्दी ही असीं उन्हां दे नाल इंग्लिश दे विच इंटरव्यू भी दिखाउने आ। देखो ते की लोकां दा शौक है ना गोरियां दा अपने पुराने पिछोकड़ नूं याद रखते हैं। असीं लोग पुरानियां चीज़ां गवा दिंदे आ। ये हर एक पुरानी चीज़ की कदर करते आ संभालते आ उन्होंने दोबारा ठीक करते आ उहदे बारे गलबात करते आ। दसो इन्हां लोकां दे शौक साडे नालों किन्ने वखरे आ। असीं तां हर चीज़ नवीं नूं चाहुंदे आ सानूं नवीं तो नवीं चीज़ मिले पर पुरानी नूं असीं कहने आ जाके परां सड़ दईए जां वेच दईए। ये लोग पुरानी चीज़ों पर किन्ने पैसे खर्च करते आ देखण च आया। इन्होंने पुरानियां चीज़ां रखण वास्ते जगह खरीदी शेड बनाई अज भी संभाल रहे हैं। टुडे पंजाबी लहर टीम केम टू कोलोराडो। मेरा दोस्त एल चानी उन्होंने कलैक्शन तुहानूं दिखाते हैं। हिंदुस्तान ते पाकिस्तान आज़ाद भी नहीं होए उस तो पहलां दे बने ट्रैक्टर बुलडोजर अज तुहानूं उन्हां दीयां तस्वीरां दिखाते हैं ते मिलाउने आ एल दे नाल। Okay, hold up, L. L, come over here, please. Okay. L, how old is this tractor is?
This tractor is 1918.
1918.
It was prior to Caterpillar. Best Tractor and Holt Tractor were competitors. They merged in 1923 and became Caterpillar. This was prior to that. This is a 1918.
Before even Caterpillar born, that tractor was made.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, how about this one? This is a look bulldozer right here.
This is RD4.
RD4. What year is that one?
It's a series of tractors built before the regular D series. And this is a late 30s, probably a 37 or a 38.
38. Okay, 37 or 38.
Yes.
Okay, let's move to next one. L has one of the best collection in Colorado. Okay, look at that small one.
This is D2. This was the small series of the early D models. It's an early 40s prior to the Second World War, probably 40 or 41.
It's a 1941 or 40. It's a D model. Then the first the bulldozer D model. I haul D model these days, D7, you know, D8, but they look big. But this is a D1.
This is D2.
D2.
Okay, this is a late 40s D4, probably 39.
38, 39, D4. Look at that. Look like homemade cabinet on top.
That was a factory cab made of wood that those tractors first came out for the farmers in Idaho and Montana for winter work.
Winter work and made with wood on the cabinet. Wow. The snow don't keep it warm inside, you know. I can on this one makes everybody be able to see that. Caterpillar. Look at that. 1938, before Second World War. Look at that. India and Pakistan didn't even independent. These bulldozer and tank were designed and made in America before even India and Pakistan independent. Let's move to next one. What do we got over here, Mr. Al?
This is a 1952 Allis-Chalmers HD11.
1952 and an Allis-Chalmers.
Allis-Chalmers.
Allis-Chalmers. Right here's a brand name. Okay, look at that. That look like a D7, isn't it?
It would have been equivalent. It's an HD11.
HD11? Okay.
Yes. It was a fairly large tractor for its day.
What kind of horsepower this one has?
86, I believe, was the horsepower.
Wow.
On that. It was an Allis-Chalmers 6-cylinder engine.
Allis-Chalmers 6-cylinder engine.
Yeah.
1952, you say?
Yes.
Yeah. 1952. Okay, we already take picture of this one. We're gonna take Al just refurbished this one, 1936. Look at that. After he finish up all the paint job, clean them up. It's a Caterpillar. I will make all the sign. Look at that. 22.
These were farm tractors also.
These are also farm tractor. Look at that. How long it take you to do all the work on it, Al?
We did it in about 6 months through.
6 months. Wow.
We bought this from a guy in California. His granddad bought it brand new in 1936.
Wow, he got the guy from California. His grandfather got that brand new when they came out.
It worked its whole life in an almond orchard in
Almond orchard, wow.
Oroville, California.
Orville, California. Orville. I know where's Orville. You know, Al, I live in California. That's very nice. That's good work, Al.
This is a Cat 20.
Okay, now he's working on the next project. What year that one is?
This is a 1936 Cat 20.
1936 Cat 20. Okay, he rebuilding that one. Now you got all of the parts and the separator. You should be finishing up in next year. Nice shop, Al. Thank you. Very good work.
Over here we got a Cat 30.
Cat 30? Okay, where is that?
This one right here.
Okay, wow, look at that. He got other project going on, Cat 30.
This was in pretty bad shape. We had to redo all the final
Wow.
drives. And
What year is that one is, Al?
this is a 36.
36.
Cat 30.
Man, Al born 1942?
45.
1945. He 1945 born. He's still working on these toys. He love it. He loved to work on these toys. And 1945. Wow, 72-year-old?
I'll be 73 this year.
73 this year. Wow, look at that. Thanks for time again, Al. I love talking to you. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, Al has other toys. It's a 1952 farm tractor. What the name is it, Al?
Allis-Chalmers.
Allis-Chalmers. How many horsepower is this one?
It would have been 18 horses.
18 horses. Wow, look at that.
It has a
1952.
belly-mounted mower they use for cutting hay.
This one have little yeah. That's a little one has a seat left over, but I got steering wheel there. They cut the hay with the tractor. 1952. Look at that. There's a blade right here, guys. They've been cutting hay with 1952 with the tractors. What about this one next to that one, Al?
That is an Adams motor or Adams grader.
Adam, and I did the same sign say Adam. Okay, we can see, guys, Adam.
Leaning wheel
Wheel gear. Okay, wow, look at that.
number 10.
Number 10.
This is the 1912.
1912. Wow, we're going backward now.
Pulled with mules.
Wow. Look at that. What about this baby Caterpillar, Al?
This is a Caterpillar 10.
Caterpillar 10.
Yeah, it's
What year is that?
this is early 30s, probably a 1930, 31.
1931. Wow.
4-cylinder.
Start with the handle on the front. No batteries, guys.
No, crank.
Oh, you had to crank them up, you know? Wow, I like that, Al. You need to work on that when you open up.
This one runs.
This one runs?
Yeah, the exhaust manifold was all rusted out on it.
Okay.
And I happened to have one made.
Wow. Since 1940s, Mike, huh? So that's what other little baby, okay. What year is this tractor, Al?
This will be in the early 50s, probably a 52 or a 53 D2.
D2.
It was called, there were small D2s and large B2s. This is a small D2.
D2, okay, look at that. You know, I imagine you kept them in your yard. This is a good hobby, I love it. I born and grew up in a farm in India. The farmer boy always loved different tractor. Look at that, Caterpillar.
This was before Caterpillar built their own attachments. This is a homemade dozer setup here.
Somebody made at a home this setup? Look at that.
The dozer, yeah.
That's called brain work. Wow, amazing, you know. So this one, see today is compared to this one, maybe take a long day to finish up a job. Now we can finish up in hours, you know. Look at that. What about this baby, Al?
This is a D4, later D4, probably a 53, 54.
53, 54
It
D.
was strictly an agricultural tractor. They used it
As
for,
a farm tractor, huh?
yeah, it was a farm tractor.
Farm. Look at all the gears. How many gears this one is? A
They were
3-shift.
4 speeds.
Look at that. It's a 4-speed, but it looks like to me a low and a high. Look at that brake up there. Brake up there. No,
That's the hand clutch.
oh, hand clutch.
Yeah.
Wow. That's
These are the steering brakes down here.
steering brake. Okay, steering brake right here. Look, man. What happened to the seat, Al?
Probably
You put
too many days in the sunshine.
too many days in sunshine. Look at that. They got spark plugs on that too, huh?
Yeah, that's the pony motor.
Pony motor.
That's the pony motor that starts the big motor.
Oh, pony motor to start the big motor. There are 2 motors inside.
Yeah, this
You start the little one first.
you start the little one first, and it warms up.
Warms up.
The exhaust runs through here and warms up the intake air,
Uh-huh.
and then you it start turning the engine over.
Uh-huh.
The controls are over here on the other side.
Control side, okay.
This is the clutch for the pony motor.
That's a clutch for pony motor?
This is the gear shift.
Wow.
High speed and a low speed, and this turns the fuel on and off.
Uh-huh.
You leave the fuel off till it's turning over and the oil pressure is up.
Oh,
Then you
okay.
turn the fuel on and it starts popping, and then
So
it eventually starts.
today the technology we spoil. All day you had to do so many things to just fire up. Look at that. They're good shape, but for that many years. They're older than me, Al. They're older than me. What about this one? Look at that.
This is Allis-Chalmers agricultural tractor.
Allis-Chalmers agriculture tractor. Look
It's a
at that.
1944.
Look at the seat. Big old spring underneath the bump, you know.
This is
Wow.
unique because Allis-Chalmers was under contract to build only military equipment during the Second World War.
Okay.
The farmers were running out of tractors,
Uh-huh.
so they released Allis-Chalmers. They built 650 farm tractors. This was one of the 650 was built during the Second
Wow.
World. It's called the War Model WC-45.
Walmart WC?
WC-45.
WC-45.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. They all running propane or gas or
Gasoline.
All gasoline. Look at that. Let me go around this one. That's nice.
This one runs good. I've had it.
Oh, it still runs?
I've used it.
Look at that. Look at that. It still runs today, guys. Wow. Okay, what do we got? Big old monster. What year is that one, Al?
This is a 1934
1934.
Cat.
Before my dad born. Look at that, Al.
Cat 40.
Cat 40.
Before they started the RDs and the D series, they were numbered in 5 increments. You know,
Okay.
5s, 10s, 15s, 20s. This is a 40. This is unique. In fact, it's the first year that Caterpillar built a diesel engine.
Wow.
It's a 3-cylinder diesel engine.
How many horsepower, Al?
It was like 60 some horsepower.
60 some horsepower, made in 1934.
Yeah.
First diesel engine.
Yeah.
Wow.
And again, Caterpillar wasn't building attachments, so this is a aftermarket.
Aftermarket attachment.
This is an aftermarket dozer.
Let me go around. Look at all. That's why the first diesel engine leak a lot, huh? Look at all the hoses and everything. Again, seed spring left over, guys. No more seed. Been in the sun too long, huh? Look at all the gear in the back. What this gear does?
This was a This was a winch. It was used in the timber country and.
Oh, the pull with the big old rope, or they use a
wire rope.
wire rope. Okay, wow, look at that. Put the wire rope around that. Okay. Look at all the gear. How many gears this one has?
I think this was 5.
5 gears?
Yeah.
Wow. Also, this one also has spark plugs on it,
Yeah,
huh?
it's got a. This is the pony motor sets on the side on this one.
Uh-huh.
It was a higher horsepower pony motor.
Uh-huh. Let me take a good view. I'll stay there. I want you to take a picture in that big old monster. 1934. Okay, look, move to the next one. Okay, he got a lot of collection, guys. Look at this is in America. What year this was called hay harvest?
Yeah, that was a sycamore. That's horse drawn.
As a horse-drawn sycamores. And what year that one is?
I have no idea. It would have been in the 20s probably.
1920s. Wow, that's how they used to cut the hay,
Yes.
guy. And we do with the hand in India and Pakistan, but they do with the horses in 1920. Okay, that tells you that how many years America was advanced compared to India. 1920. They have equipment to cut the And farm agriculture product, 1920. Okay, what about this baby?
This is a Laterno scraper, earth mover.
Earth mover, okay.
And it was from the Second World War. It's even got the Corps of Engineers tag on it yet.
Wow.
It was furnished.
Army used that Second World War.
And it was designed to be pulled behind a D6.
Behind D6. Yeah. Wow, look at that.
All cable operated.
All cable operated. Look at that. Nice collection, Al. And
I would say this was probably an early 40.
Early 40. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What about this one? This one.
Is the first series of Cat D8. This is an RD8.
Cat D8. What year that was?
This is an RD8.
RD8.
First year this was produced was 1936.
1936. Older than my dad. My dad born 1937. Again, you know. Wow. Al has all the collection. Older than my dad. Wow. How many gear this one, Al?
It was a 5-speed.
5-speed? That looks pretty big, huh?
Yeah.
Look at that. Al, stay there. I'm gonna take a good picture of you and go around the machine. Look at that. There's an attachment behind it. What's this behind? Is a blade?
That's a
grader.
What's called a road control.
Road control.
Road grader, yes.
Wow, they have road control made in 1936.
It was older. This older than that. This is from the late 20s. This
Late 20s?
20,
Wow.
29, yeah.
So the America was able to make the road with machine in 1920s, huh?
This was pulled by it came out to be pulled by a Caterpillar 60.
Caterpillar 6D. 60, okay.
It would be 2 sizes bigger than that one, the 40.
Wow, let me take that, go around this one, and a picture of the other one too. Wow.
This was the largest one that Caterpillar built prior to building self-propelled motor.
Wow, 1920 is the largest one built. Wow, that's a small one, blade grader.
This is a 60 grader, and that's a 20 grader.
That's 60 grader, that's 20 grader. What year is that one made, Al?
This one is the same. It's got to be in
the 1920s?
Yeah.
Wow. Look at that guy, the good shape still. They still have a tag on it.
Yeah.
Guy, look at the tag on it. You can see Caterpillar, what year's make and all that. Look at that. That's all proof. Copper, and it's like a brass plate on it. Guys, you can see all the grade and everything, manufactured date, how many pounds it can haul. Look at that.
Somebody upgraded this one.
Even has serial number on it, S6689. Wow.
Somebody upgraded this one, and Caterpillar had a kit where they cut the steel wheels off, used the same hub, and welded a rim for tires. So
wow. That
would have been in later years in the 40s when they were able to get revenue.
Al, let's walk to the machine. What's that called over there?
That's a manure spreader.
Manure spreader. Punjabi ਚ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਪਸ਼ੂਆਂ ਦਾ ਗੋਹਾ ਖੇਤਾਂ ਦੇ ਖਿਲਾਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਮਸ਼ੀਨ ਬਣਾਈ ਹੋਈ ਆ ਦੇਖ ਲਓ.
That would have been pulled by horses too.
Okay, look at that. ਅਸੀਂ ਕਈਆਂ ਨਾਲ ਪਾਉਣੇ ਗੋਹਾ ਖੇਤਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੋਰਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਕਿਹੜੇ what year the built Al?
Oh, that would have been in the 20s.
1920 ਗੋਰੇ ਘੋੜਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੋਹਾ ਖਿਲਾਰਦੇ ਸੀ ਖੇਤਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ. Look at that.
It was all driven by the back.
The guys sit over here, and the horses on the front, and all the equipment. The wheels are rolling. Then they split the manures.
And this chain's laying in here, but it would have ran this way. The manure into these things that are going this, and it goes like this.
Goes like that. Wow! Look at that. 1920s. Wow. We don't even have that in India today. We're talking about 1920. How they work on farm. Well, thank you, Al. Thank you for your time. I appreciate that.
Got some graders.
This other tractor he got. Okay. Other tractor he got 1936.
It's a Case L series.
Case L series. We like the same company we call Messi producing in India.
Yeah.
And the same manufacturer, the first model. Wow, look at that.
Yeah. It was.
Look at the ram, guys.
It's called the wheatlands. They use them out in the dry land and pull the big one-way plows.
Wow, one-way plows. Okay, single plow, you know. Wow, look at that. How they're sitting in the back seat. Wow, how low the seat back there.
Yeah.
That's why they hook them up. Hook right here, Hinch. Wow, nice. They still have a gauge on those days, huh, guys?
Well, This one here has been used in tractor pulls.
Oh, tractor pulls. Oh, wow. Okay. That's good. That's other blades. What year those are?
This is the 1952 Caterpillar 12.
1952 Caterpillar 12. Look at that.
It's a 6-cylinder diesel.
600 diesel, 1952. They've been making a road in America with these big old blade.
There's no hydraulics on this.
No hydraulic?
All mechanical.
All mechanical.
Controls.
Wow.
It was done by these gearboxes up here on the panel. They run a series of gears across there that you actually, when you pull the lever, it locks together and makes these go up and down or back and forth.
Wow, look at that. 1952, guys. They've been making road with the big old blade. So America been
no hydraulics.
No hydraulic. Wow. Let's go at the baby he has. We got a couple other ones. Okay, this other looks like a...
This is a Caterpillar 10.
Caterpillar 10. What year that one, Al?
This would have been a late 20s, probably a 28 or 29.
1929. Wow.
A hardwood cab and
hardwood cab.
So glass windows.
Hardwood cab, then glass window. Wow, 1929. They got dual tire on it, Al.
Yeah.
Wow. Look at the handle. You had to crank them up with the handle.
Little 4-cylinder gas engine.
4-cylinder gas engine. Wow, look at that. Looks nice. Yeah, very good collection, Al. Thanks for your time. I really enjoy looking up what you have. Thank you. Thanks again. What year is that one, Al?
This is an early 40s Allis-Chalmers.
Early 40s.
They took the WC-45 farm tractor, extended the frame, and made a motor grader.
Motor grader.
It was all
wow.
All manual control.
All manual control. Look at all the control on top with the handle. That's a lot of work. Whoever drove that one is a lot of. Today we spoiled. We got everything hydraulic. Look at that. Thanks again, Al. Here's an Al, friend of mine. You know.
Walk through the shop?
Yeah, let's go to the shop.